Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with a new recruitment notification. So it is from a central government school, which is most relevant for all the job aspirants. So since most of them had asked me to post the teacher vacancy also, I have started to bring out more videos on teacher recruitment also. So this is a huge recruitment for almost 8,700 posts within 136 army public schools. So as you can see on the screen, candidates are general instruction for candidates. So there are 136 army public school located in various cantonments and military stations across India. So approximately 8,700 teachers are required. Okay, so post of the teachers are in regular, that is not in the contract basis, it's a full-time job. So the for the selection procedure, two stage will be there. That is, the first stage one will be screening exam. An online screening test will be conducted on the date also has been mentioned 19th and 20th February for vacancies that will arise due to ensuring academic year. And according to this, the persons will be selected for the stage 2, that is interview. So in this, person who passes this interview will be having one more test called as teaching skills and computer proficiency, because computer proficiency is common in nowadays. So it is very much required for all the posts also. So here you will be having a single exam and an interview and with a computer proficiency test. So these are the things that are they required. So there are different posts that are required, and according to your eligibility you can apply for this. So like normal graduation is also eligible for this with applied professional courses, and the age limit has been mentioned here. So you need to be below 40 years. So below 40 years, then you are eligible. Okay, then the normalization will be there, and the exam fees is 385 rupees. So fees of 385 rupees has to be paid, and there will be negative marking in the examination also. That is, one-fourth of the marks will be for negative marking. So to qualify, you need to score minimum 50% marks, but scoring 50% marks is not enough, because to to score above the cutoff and to be in the top list, you need to score at least a very good marks with respect to this. And also, see, mock tests are also provided. Candidates would be able to take mock test online to familiarize with the exam from 1 February 2022. So the exam centers are very much. I'll show them in your in the future slides. Okay, and the admit card exam results will be released within 30 days. So everything has been mentioned. It is not like they will keep on delaying these things. So the dates are also been mentioned, and the registration has already started from 7th January to 28th January, and the admit card will be out by 10th February. Examination 19th and 20th February. Result will be in 28th February. So these are the total things that has been mentioned. Okay, now you can see the list of army schools present. So almost in all the states these are present. So according to that, you can apply for your own state. So that is one advantage here. Okay, and also the vacancies in different subjects has also been mentioned. So with respect to the subject that you have a specialization, you can apply for that also. So if you see the syllabus, so the part A consists of basic GK, and the second section B consists of current affairs, and section C consists of professional knowledge. So these are the three sections where the questions will come from. So 35, 35, and 30% of the questions will come. Okay, and for part B, you'll having basic knowledge on 6th to 10th standard, because you are the teacher who will going to teach these things, so you need to have these professional knowledge. So according to that, the syllabus has been provided. So the almost all the part A, part B for both TGT and PGT has been provided. So you can see the list of examination center. So there is no problem, 68 centers are there. So you can choose the exam center based upon your domicile. So if you are from a particular state, then also you can select them. So there is no problem of exam centers in this recruitment. So these were the complete details, guys. I will pin this website in the description box. So if you are interested and if you are eligible, you can surely apply for this job. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.